Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with eBay, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the eBay app or website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the home page. Type in the item you want to purchase and hit enter. Explore the list of available products. Use filters to narrow down your search based on price, condition, and seller ratings. Select an item that fits your budget. Take note of the total cost, including shipping and taxes. Before buying, compare prices with similar listings. Add the item to your watch list for further evaluation. Consider setting a maximum budget for this purchase. Check the seller's return policy and shipping options for clarity. If necessary, reach out to the seller with any questions about the item. Ready to purchase? Click the Buy It Now or Place Bid button. Choose your preferred payment method. Review your order summary carefully before proceeding. Finalize your purchase by confirming your payment. Track your order through the Buy section of your eBay account. Once the item arrives, assess its condition upon delivery. Keep track of your spending by documenting your purchases in a budget planner. Regularly review your eBay spending to adjust your future budget goals. Consider selling unwanted items on eBay to supplement your budget. Utilize the proceeds from sales to reinvest into items you need or want. Stay informed about eBay promotions and discounts that may help you save. Continue to refine your budgeting strategy as you gain more experience with eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.